Oh, full of garden design ideas. Oh, that's a lovely book. So far looks better than the one that Dorling Kindersley published. So, interesting. Of course, Dorling Kindersley has also other things which are helpful, for example, how to set concrete for foundation or something like that. Well, anyway, this has lots of pictures also. And I can see people get ideas from this book and put it on their TV programs like Garden Rescue. Like this one. Oh, the tunnels. Like this one. But I saw this for, vegetable lettuce bed, which you can pull up and down. Interesting. How many pages? Oh, 512. Nice book.